I will be attempting to eat the world's hottest pepper.
Bingo was his name.
YouTube, what's going on today? I'm very excited for this video. Oh boy, I cannot wait to tell you what I'm doing today. You know what, I lied. I'm not going to be filming it all today, but it's going to be over the duration of a few days. But anyway, I'm going to be attempting a challenge that, quite frankly, many people are really scared of. But you know what? I'm not scared over here. I'm taking chances. Here we go. So, I will be attempting to eat the world's hottest pepper, the Carolina Reaper. Yeah, that's right. You see it here, folks. Look at those peppers. Oh my God. It looks scary, but you know what? It's got to be done. So to increase the entertainment value, I thought, hey, why not? I'll film it at school in Tucker's Lounge in Brockman. I thought it'd be more entertaining for everybody, and plus, I want all my friends to experience all the pain that I go through, and we'll see how I do. One thing I just noticed about the labeling of this, I want you guys to take a look at this. Look at how intimidating this looks. The 2013 Guinness Book confirmed it's the world's hottest pepper. Look at this. And this is the funniest part. Look at the scale here. The jalapeno, the habanero, and then look at this. The big boy itself, the Carolina Reaper, 1.5 million Scoville units. Ooh. So I was looking online trying to find some facts about this thing. You know, all I'm finding is really like, oh, 1.5 million Scoville units, hottest pepper in the world. But joke's on everyone else, because at the end of the day, I'm going to be laughing because it has twice the amount of vitamin C as a fruit does. So, haha. Alright, so the next time I will see you guys will be at... Hold up, wait a second. Oh my God, what is this? Hold on. I gotta get a haircut first. Woo! That's much better. Oh yeah. Alright, the next time I'll see you guys, I will be at Xavier. Alright, so as you guys can see, it is none other than the time to eat the Carolina Reaper. Henny, show the audience. I think
Let's go chill. Bingo was his name. How's it feeling? Oh man, the throat now.
Hey, wipe your mouth. Hey, wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth.
Chuck, how you feeling, buddy?
My throat's on fire! Someone give me more tissue, please.
Take us out.
Take up. Yeah.
Oh, you getting hit on the buddy?
No, Chuck, get a putty. Get a putty. That's the move, right?
Get a putty. I want the ice cream.
That'd be suicide.
Chuck, you have to play inside skills.
Oh, they're destroyed.
Chuck, how bad?
Yeah, how do you feel?
Not that.
Wait, did you eat the whole bag?
No.
Okay. So it's been about like 2 minutes now. My whole mouth is like on fire, okay? like literally, I feel like oh my God, I don't know, it just hurts, okay? Do not try this. I was an idiot. Don't be like Chuck.
You have to eat another one. It's not that hot. You're doing good. I eat one. I swear. If you eat it, that's how I eat one.
Now he's gonna try to do it. Let's see how he feels.
Here we go. Oh my God. Let's go, Ash.
Chew it a little. Yeah, Ash. Chew a lot of reverb.
Put it in nice.
Go.
Swallow it.
Oh, don't run. I'm going in for number 2.
He's gonna fuck
A little bit of number 2. I cannot do a full number 2.
As they say in Espanol, numero dos.
Stop touching it. He looks like he has Parkinson's.
Chuck, why are you shaking?
Stop eating ice cream.
Let's all give him a round of applause.
Hey, Chucky, how you feeling, buddy?
Ladies and gentlemen, there's just a burning pit in my stomach.
James, y'all need to do one. Hell no.
Take it down.
So I thought I just wanted to give a little update. This is the day after me eating the Carolina Reaper. So my throat's fine. Like it was numb for like a good 20-some minutes, 30 minutes, but that was fine. All that's really bothering me right now is my stomach. Like my stomach just feels like it's a pit of fire. But like besides that, I'm feeling good. But I would definitely not suggest to. Or I would suggest not to do this. Definitely not a smart idea. It was a stupid idea. But you know what? I did it just because I wanted to try it. You know, you live and you learn. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for everyone who's watching. Don't forget, subscribe, like, and comment. Until the next one, peace.